Tired of feeling chained to your inbox, constantly scrambling to respond to leads? Let's unlock the power of automated communication and show you how to set up an auto-reply and follow-up boss in just a few simple steps. This will help you instantly acknowledge inquiries, set response expectations, and provide helpful information, even when you're unavailable. First, log into your follow-up boss account. In the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, click on the admin section. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your account. Once in the admin section, locate and select email settings from the menu on the left-hand side. Now, look for the autoresponders tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on that tab to access the auto-reply settings. Click the Add Autoresponder button to create a new automated response. First, give your auto-reply a descriptive name. This will help you easily identify it later, for example, new lead auto-reply. Next, in the rules section, define the triggers for your auto-reply. Select the conditions that will activate the automated message, such as new lead arrived. Now, it's time to craft your message in the email content section. Write the email that will be automatically sent to new leads. Keep it concise, friendly, and informative. Be sure to set expectations for response times. Finally, review your settings and click the Save button, and that's it. You've successfully set up an auto-reply and follow-up boss. Now you can rest easy knowing that your leads will receive an immediate response, even when you're busy.